Nah, I just got my hair done though. But I was really just trying to push y'all onto these good ass motherfucking goldfish. One thing about it, I do not like no fucking orange goldfish. Bitch, if you try to give me some orange goldfish, I'm looking at your wrist like, no. I don't like them. But these, y'all never seen these. Never. Y'all, these is so fucking good. Like, and like the thing with me, like even with cupcakes, I don't like chocolate cupcakes. I only like vanilla. These is vanilla flavored cupcake fucking goldfish. Like, whoever made these, they need something. They need something because these bitches stop.
I am.
Don't have to put y'all on.
That took a long time.